there must be a time where, you felt less motivated and, hopeless. So what kept you motivated?
Definitely, the thing is, you have to be really, when you feel low, there are times, definitely, you cannot go on and on studying the
Yeah.
entire year or the last 3 months also. You have, for motivation, what you need to do is listen to songs, obviously. Half of my
Mhm.
study was used to just go along with songs, and I just keep listening to songs all the time. I love songs, and then you listen to some good speakers. I used to listen to Sandeep Maheshwari, Gaur Gopal Das,
Yeah.
and few people whose voice is really sweet to listen to, and some other
Mhm.
videos for motivation. So you
Okay.
definitely you should keep yourself motivated. That is the important thing over them. Listen to people who make you feel great. Okay, not don't be near people who make you feel low, and
Mhm.
definitely keeping your good संगति जिसे कहते हैं, a
Yeah.
good company is required for that. Be with good people, stay motivated all the time, and definitely take care of your health in this COVID era.
Yes.
That is also one factor which has been introduced due to all the unwanted things happening all over the globe. So you need to take care of your health also, and along
Mhm.
with your health, you have to excel in the board exams.
Yes. Nice. And did you focus on the presentation of your answer? Like, is it important?
Yeah, as I said before, for few subjects, like obviously for all subjects you need to focus on the presentation. The subjects on which you need to focus more on the presentation is history, geography, and computers, the first section. Then some the English language, Hindi. Hindi, what a lot of people write just is just so together and they don't leave much
Mhm.
space. So if you think your answers are less confident and you have some time left, you can even draw lines in between the answers. So to make it look more presentable.
Yeah.
That's what
Right.
presentation. You never know in what mood the examiner is. So he, you should always keep his mood in a good area. So that's why
Yes.
you should
Right.
keep the presentation really, really nice. Even though your handwriting is
Mhm.
not good, if you if you space it out, it will come out really nice, and they'll like
Yeah.
it. Yeah, at least the student has written it really nice, and there's definitely
Yes.
no problem with the papers. They'll provide you good amount of papers. In the end, when you are about to finish, if you feel that you need more supplement, you should definitely ask for it. Otherwise, in the end, there are few invigilators who are really nasty about the thing.
Mhm.
They'll not give you supplements. So you prepare for it.
Okay. Okay.
There are a lot of people who even face difficulties of these.
Mhm.
They'll not, they wanted to write more, but the invigilator would not give them the supplement in the last 10 minutes. So you keep
Yeah. Right.
the supplements with you. Thread also, definitely. Otherwise, there are times when they'll even snatch the papers from you without the thread. But majority of the
Right.
times they are not so harsh. But at times they are harsh. So you never know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, one more
Right.
factor what I would like to bring to your notice is the environment in which you are sitting. Make it pleasant, and obviously eat well before going for the paper, and look at your table, whether it's shaking or not. You should always make the table stable. Okay.
Yeah.
They'll probably put a piece of paper beneath the desk or that
Mhm.
to prevent it from that. Okay.
Yeah. Right.
That's one more important factor. There are teachers for that. There are teachers there for that.
Okay. Do you think that there is a need to join tuitions to get a good score?
No, definitely not. Now, like if you in tuitions, you'll definitely waste a considerable amount of time chit chatting with your friends. That I know you definitely majority of you will. So tuitions, I never took tuitions in the entire school life of mine. So I don't think there's need for tuitions. Definitely, you can go for questions. Questions. There are question papers and solving with the teachers. There are teachers who
Mhm.
take tests, no? So you can just attempt that test series. Test series was the
Okay.
word I was looking for. Test series, you can start with the test series for that. I don't think you'll need much. Just the test series is important for.
Mhm. And in like subjects like Hindi and maths, many times people like students cannot finish the paper because it's very lengthy. So how to manage the
Yeah,
time?
time. That is really important. One of my
Yeah.
friend, even in English language, he messed up really
Yeah.
bad. He was really good at English language, and due to the time management, he could not score good. So what you need to do is really take care of your time. You definitely wear a decent watch, and wearing a decent watch. What the thing is, you can continuously keep looking at the time in 15 minutes. It's not like you have forever and you are just writing a long good song and
Yeah.
keep writing easily. So you need to look at the time again and again, and even there are clocks in the examination center where you must definitely look. And definitely with the test series, and when you solve previous year questions, like suppose you are attempting chemistry 2019 entire question. Chemistry definitely you'll not face time problem. Let's consider history. History, many people face problems. Math
Okay.
also. So from the beginning, you maintain your pace. Don't think that okay, I'll finish it. It's not like that. And many you even if you know the answer, you'll end up really bad in the end. So begin your pace. Take a good time. Like begin your pace. Really start. Okay. From the
Okay.
beginning, start really nice.
Oh, okay. And there, you
So when
might
you
have
practice,
made, yeah. Mhm.
you'll get in the habit for
Mhm.
getting everything within time. Like for chemistry, what I did was I had a lot of time for chemistry, so I solved all the sets, even though they were not required. So I solved all of
Mhm.
them. So maybe if the
Okay.
invigilator wishes, he can check the next one. So
Okay.
if there is some problem in my first set, he'll give me marks for the last set.
Yes. Right.
That's the way you can do.
Mhm. And like while studying, you might have made some mistakes, like while studying or while exams that you wish like you wouldn't have made. So what mistakes were those? And what you advise your juniors so that they don't make the same mistakes?
Yeah, about mistakes, I don't think like we didn't give last four papers, so I don't have much of experience for the boards.
Mhm.
So thinking about the mistakes, I think time waste, procrastination, as you say,
Yeah.
time wastage. You should not do that. That is really important.
Mhm.
And keep your mood really light.
Yeah.
In the end, like have good sleep. That is really important. Like you should sleep at least 9 to 10 hours before the exam. One day before the exam. Like there are many people who don't study the entire year and then they are studying like for 3 o'clock, still 3 o'clock in the night, and then they wake up
Yeah.
at
They
four
don't
o'clock and again
sleep.
start studying.
Yeah.
So that is just, uh, yeah, that is the thing. That will just kill their mood for the exam, and then they'll fall asleep during the paper. That is the really important thing. So avoid that. Get good sleep and sleep
Mhm.
peacefully, and sit just away from all the distractions. Keep everything just aside.
Okay. And lastly, what overall advice, like overall in the end, would you like to give the juniors?
Overall advice, what I would like to give is definitely keep yourself motivated, and don't think that I have not studied the entire year. What will I do in the last 3 months? Definitely, this is, as I said, this is no JEE NEET which you have to prepare for 2 long years. It's just a board examination. You can definitely score really good percentage from just the last 3 months. So keep yourself away from social media in these last 3 months. Surround yourself with beautiful people who are just who keep you motivated all the time. Drink well, eat well, and stay hydrated. Definitely keep your health really nice. That is a really important factor in this COVID era. exercise, meditate, listen to peaceful, like as I listen to Sandeep Maheshwari, Gaur Gopal Das. So listen to good motivational speakers, and definitely parents also play a major role in this. Talk to your parents. They are your obviously they're always there for you. So don't hide things, don't bottle up things within yourself. Talk to your friends, whatever problem you're facing, or you can even contact me if you need. So definitely all of us are there for your help. As ICSE study mate, yeah, study
Yeah.
is also helping them. So that's a really good initiative. Yeah. So definitely keep yourself motivated. You can really easily cross 90%, and then everybody, you will be like showing the Sharma ji ka beta and all the relatives that yes, even you can do it.
Yeah, right. Thank you so much. It was really great having you here today. Thank you so much for accepting our proposal and having this interview.
Thank you, Rita.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.